Hi everyone, my name is Ral Obioha of the Law Offices of Ral Obioha. We are an immigration-based law firm in Houston, Texas. However, we represent clients all over the country. Today I want to talk to you about what is a NOID and what is a request for an RFE. Basically, a NOID is a notice of intent to deny, and an RFE is a request for evidence. Now, a lot of people ask me, what is the difference between these two things? When I receive a request for evidence, what does it mean? When I receive a NOID from USCIS, what does it mean? A NOID is, as I said before, basically USCIS notifying you that, hey, we intend to deny this case. This is the point where they've identified an issue that they think that it's too big for an approval. And they're basically saying, this is your last chance, okay? Fix it now or we're denying the case. As opposed to a request for evidence. A request for evidence, basically saying, hey, we have a question about what you submitted, or hey, there's something that's missing from your file that we would like you to clarify. And it doesn't have such a harsh undertone as a NOID does. The RFE is more like, the RFE can request like a birth certificate if they feel like your birth certificate is not was not just issued by the correct authority. Like, for example, a lot of people who were born, in foreign countries can, get, just actually generally, a lot of people get baptismal certificates as well as birth certificates, one from the church and one from the civil authority that issues birth certificates in your country, that issues birth certificates in your country. I had to say that slowly so that everybody's always in the comments like, you talk too fast. I know. So basically, when a lot of people receive, birth certificates from different authorities within their home country, and a lot of times, with US and even with the NBC and with the embassies, they have a specific authority for each country that they only accept certificates from. So, for example, if your birth certificate is from a different authority than it's supposed to be from, they can issue an RFE saying, you sent a birth certificate, but we just don't think that it's from the correct authority, so fix it. Send us the correct one. As opposed to if you send a birth certificate that they suspect that's fraudulent, they're going to issue you a NOID and say this is fraudulent, so fix it. But this is your last chance to fix it. So, but at the time, the RFE can be sent, like, you can send an application and within like a week they send an RFE, and that's just basically how, little of evidence that they may be requesting. But with a NOID, it's basically saying we've come to the end of your case. Like, we would have approved it if not for this huge issue that you have to deal with now. So there are two different types of requests from USCIS, and they both carry different undertones. One is harsher, which is a NOID, and the other RFE can be as simple as, hey, send us more pictures of you and your spouse, or send us passport photos, or something as simple as that. So you want to be careful for each RFE I receive and for each note that I receive for my clients, for people who are hiring me after receiving such notices. I have to look at them carefully because, their undertones are it's very important for you to decipher what exactly they're getting at and to be able to respond accordingly. Okay? Again, I'm Ral Obioha. I hope that has helped you some way or helped a friend or family member. And if you ever receive a request for evidence or a notice of intent denied from USCIS, please do call us at the Law Office of Ral Obioha at 832-569-1110. Also follow us at Ral Obioha Law for all immigration information. Have a great day.